Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to begin by verifying connectivity and forcing a simple service restart. First, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active and loading web pages. Poor internet is the most common cause. Once connected, go to Settings Messages and toggle iMessage off, wait 10 seconds, and toggle back on to prompt reactivation. Then restart the iPhone to clear transient glitches. This refreshes network stacks and Apple services. These steps often restore sending without deeper changes. Next, verify your Apple ID and network configuration so messages can route properly. Open Messages Send and Receive and confirm your phone number and Apple ID email are checked. If not, sign out and sign back in to re-establish it. If issues persist, reset network settings to clear bad DNS or APN entries. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords but resolves routing errors. Also check date/time set to automatic install carrier settings and update iOS so certificate. To finish, force close the Messages app and reopen it, then send a short test iMessage to confirm delivery. If that fails, attempt sending from another Apple device signed into the same Apple ID. If that device works, the issue is local to your iPhone. As a final quick fix, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios, then retry. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip. Check Apple's system status for iMessage outages before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.